Did you know planes sometimes fly in circles for hours on purpose? When an airport is too busy or the weather is bad, planes can't land immediately. So instead of landing, they enter something called a holding pattern. That means the plane literally flies in large circles, thousands of feet above the airport, sometimes for 30 minutes or even longer. But here's the interesting part. Airplanes are required to carry extra fuel in case they have to divert to another airport or deal with emergencies. So if you ever see a plane flying circles on a map, it's probably just waiting its turn to land.